Hi guys, I have a project share, probably my last project share for the month of August, Halloween in August Paper Stash Smash Challenge. So, and it's a really cute one. It's similar to my last project share, I do have to say. So this is some of the things that I made still using the Luna collection from Prima Marketing that I had wanted to smash. I don't know that I wanted to smash it, but I wanted to use it. And I did use it. I haven't smashed it. I did use a lot of the, let's see, the 6x6. So this had 32 sheets to start, and now I'm down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I still have 10 more of those, and then I do have a lot of the 12 by 12, and I had some loose sheets as well, and then 12 by 12. So anyway, first I'll show you just like, we'll get this out of the way. So I made more of the like micro mini traveler's notebooks. So to start with, if you saw my last project share video, I had only made the 3. They were adorable and they sold super fast in my Etsy. So those 3 are all gone. And then I had posted on TikTok, which I don't normally do, but I recently decided to start posting on TikTok, okay? And people were liking it. They wanted it, and so I got a lot of requests to make more. I don't know if those are serious requests or not, or if it's just TikTok people, but I just decided to make more because I do feel like these are adorable, and I do think they'll sell because these micro-sized traveler notebooks seem to do pretty well for me on my Etsy, and Halloween is doing really well, obviously. Right now, most of the Halloween stuff that I've made has sold, so that is exciting, but also I'm gonna have like nothing to show in my recap video, like physically, because a lot of it has sold, but that's okay. I am not mad about that. So I'm not gonna flip through these because these are almost identical to the ones that I showed in my last project share. So if you're interested, I will link that video in the description. And then also, you know, you can go to my Etsy and see, but I'll just show you the covers of these. This one says All the Hocus Pocus. This one and this one are just like repeats because I made this kind of design last time as well. This one says I Put a Spell on You, Fright Night, and Meow. I just I thought it was so cute. So I did make 6 of those. So, and then I wanted to make the other mini size of the traveler's notebooks. So these are the 3.5 by 5 size. So yeah, you'll see. I mean, the design on the outside is similar to the other ones, but how flippin' cute. Just have some adorable little things poking out the top, little bat paper clip I made, a tiny little dangle on the side of that, a little twinkle charm, some seam binding, and the insides of these are pretty much the same, so I'll just flip through them kind of quickly. But yeah, you just got your notebook, laminated bookmark, pockets. This is a little envelope that you can remove, tags. This is like a little sticker frame, but you could use it as a label. This is just a little extra journaling card. Adorable. Pocket has some just randomness goodies. And yes, so that is the first one. Guys, this paper is so pretty. I'm literally going to, I know the whole point is to like smash your stash, but I need more. I feel like I can't be without this. This one is Fright Night. And yeah, like I said, it's all pretty similar. You just get different tags and stuff in there, but, and then like the notebooks or the folders are a little different, but super duper stinking cute. This paper's hard to tell, but it's like a skulls. So I thought that was cute. And then this one, I just loved this cat little cut apart. So this one says Meow, cute little charm. And yeah, like I said, these will all be available in my Etsy shop. There's only one thing that is already or not available, but I'll still show you because it's adorable. But otherwise, everything else that you're seeing at the time of me filming this is available if anyone is interested. Anyway, yeah, so that was the sizes. And then I did make one of the larger Traveler's Notebooks. This is the 4x6 size. So this one has a little chunkier dangle, which is just so cute. I put like a large star, glittery star. Super cute. So it says trick or treat, just have some trim right there. Cute, 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 cute. I love how everything that I make with this collection turns out. It's so pretty. And I've been loving using up all of those foam stickers I have to make those paper clips. This is like a large journaling card. This is spooky. And then this just has a bunch of random goodies, vellum tag. I don't know what you're gonna use that for, but something about vellum just feels spooky to me, you know? So lots of fun goodies in there. And then this one has some more trim on it. It says, hey pumpkin. And yeah, so those were all of the Traveler's Notebooks. I think they're all adorable and I love them. And this one's so cute. I might make another one of this size for me to keep because I love it so much. Okay, and then the last items I made are just some of the 3x4 size mini notebooks. So this one is spoken for. These three are available, but the inside looks relatively the same in all of them. So I'll just kind of show you one. So I have a vellum, little cut apart with some trim, 10 index cards, and then like a fun extra journaling card. Just some bits and bobs, tags, and then another journaling card. So they all have a journaling card before and after the divider page. And this is just like cute. There's that journaling card. Some more just fun tags and stuff. Cute. This is like a chalkboard tag technically, which I got on clearance from Hobby Lobby, but upon further inspection, it appears to just be a black cardstock. But that'd be cute if you have like a gel pen. Okay, fun journaling card, and then your little flip out page with yet again this bat paper clip that I've just been making a ton of. So that's that one. Oops, that stuff is poking at the side. So this one, little cat. This one says, I put a spell on you. And then yeah, like the insides are pretty much the same, just some of the journaling cards will be a little different, but mostly the same. And then the ephemera in the pockets is slightly different, but otherwise the layout is the exact same. And this one says spooky. So I think everything's adorable. I mean, you can't go wrong. It'd be really, really hard to make something that's not adorable with this paper because the paper itself is so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of the Halloween projects. I'm still gonna film my recap video, but like I said, I don't know how much physical stuff I'll actually have to show because a lot of it I've already shipped out, which, you know, in hindsight, maybe I should have been a little more organized, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in any of these products, go ahead and check out my Etsy shop. It'll be linked down below. And then I'm just like kind of wondering what I should work on next because I still want to keep doing Halloween, but I really need to start prepping for my craft fair. So I should probably take a little bit of break. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.